Hey, it's Scott Young here. In this video, we're going to be talking about why a side hustle is so important. But before I jump into it, I want to let you know about my own side hustle, which is building me a six-figure income. Check out the link below this video in the description. No pressure. All right, so anyone who has a job working for one company is in danger and needs a side hustle. Why? Because whether you like your company or not, or whether you like your manager or not, that company is your only customer, right? You don't want to lose that customer. The best way to think about it is because your company pays you, they are your customer. Whether you like your company or not, or whether you like your manager or not, this is your only customer, the company that you work for. So you could start to see the risk that you're in. Your life and your income is dependent on one customer. And if you lose that one customer, your job, then you're really in a bad spot. So this is why a side hustle is so important. If you get a side hustle, let's say that replaces a third of your income, you've actually reduced your risk by one third. And if you get fired, at least you've got a side hustle that's going to help you pay the rent or pay for some groceries or some other essential items. But if you figured out how to get one side hustle working, one side hustle going, you could probably figure out how to get another one going. And then you could figure out how to get another one layered on top of that. And before long, you could actually get enough side hustles going that will actually replace your income from that one customer, your job. And then within any of those three side hustles, if you have multiple customers within a side hustle, you can afford to lose a customer or two because it doesn't really represent a large part of your income. And each side hustle is filled with different customers that are unrelated. So now you've diversified your risk because you've got a lot of different customers that you're working for versus just the one that you're always in danger of losing. And then on the upside, any one of your side hustles could really take off and you could start making a six-figure income from that one particular side hustle if you keep building it up and up and up. Does this make sense? I hope this is kind of clicking for you that, if you have a side hustle, it reduces your risk of being reduced to poverty. You can check out my recommended side hustle for making a six-figure income. It's in the link in the description below this video. That's going to give you the step-by-step blueprint to get you started making real money online. Check it out, no pressure, totally up to you, but get your side hustle started today. Take care.